Hi and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing 5 skills that can help you earn money in 2023. Programming and software development. As businesses increasingly rely on technology, there is a high demand for skilled programmers and software developers. Proficiency in languages like Python, Java, and C++ can be lucrative skills to have. Data analysis and machine learning. With the rise of big data, there is a growing need for professionals who can analyze and interpret data. Skills in machine learning and data visualization can be particularly valuable. Digital marketing. With more and more businesses going online, there is a need for professionals who can help them effectively reach and engage their target audience. Skills in areas like social media marketing, email marketing, and search engine optimization can be highly sought after. Graphic design. From website design to social media graphics, businesses are in need of visually appealing content. Skills in graphic design, particularly using software like Adobe Creative Suite, can be lucrative. Content creation. With the rise of content marketing, businesses are looking for skilled writers, videographers, and photographers to create engaging content for their audience. Proficiency in creating high-quality content can be a valuable skill to have in this digital age. Overall, these are just a few of the skills that can help you earn money in 2023. By staying up to date on industry trends and continuously learning and improving your skills, you can position yourself for success in the rapidly evolving world of work. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more career and money-making tips.